I can taste you. I can taste you. I can taste.
Hey guys, your girl Ladura here, back again with another quick video. So if you like this recipe for the chocolate covered strawberries, make sure you like, comment, share, and whatever everybody else say. So basically here I am just tossing out the strawberries that are not good. I'm extremely picky, but for some reason you can't buy strawberries and just have the whole pack be amazing. So whatever. You want to then make sure you wash your strawberries and soak them. I'm just adding a bit of Himalayan pink salt to mine to help with that. You want to then make sure you pat your strawberries dry and insert your toothpicks. Leave the strawberries about 1 inch apart and dip them in your white chocolate. After that, it should look like this when you place it. Make sure you give them space and insert them in the fridge for about 30 minutes to an hour. In the end, your strawberries should look like this and they should be ready to eat. Bon appetit, bitch!
I can taste